Welcome back to Twin Cities Live. Well, you know we love a good surprise here on the show. For 14 years now, we have teamed up with Apollo Heating, Air and Plumbing to give away furnaces to those without reliable heat, so they have one less thing to worry about.
In today's giveaway, reporter Kristen Haubrich is introducing us to an Inver Grove Heights mom who's been a caregiver her whole life, always helping others.
So Marge, we are here because you nominated your daughter Maria to win a new furnace. And for those of us who haven't had the chance to meet Maria, describe what she's like as a person.
She just loves everybody and she tries to help whoever she can help. And she helps out with different things, you know, to help people and kids. And she takes care of me, so I'm real happy about that.
Oh. She's lucky to have such a sweet mama.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, and so Maria's a dental hygienist. She works full-time. She is a mom, and she's had a tough couple of years.
Yes, she has. Very tough. And it just seems like one thing after another. Sometimes she says, you know, it's too hard. She said, I just can't do it anymore. I said, well, you just got to get up and start, you know, chugging along.
One foot after the other.
You betcha.
So let's talk about the furnace. So you live in the house with Maria, and you can attest, I mean, firsthand, this furnace is not reliable.
No, it's not. We had a gentleman come out a year ago because the heat went out totally in the beginning of winter.
Oh, no.
And it was pretty cold for a few days. He fixed it and he said, don't rely too much on it because maybe a year or two, that's
so
it.
The clock is ticking. It's about to go out for sure. Oh, my goodness.
Yep.
So what do you think this will mean for Maria to have a new
so
furnace?
happy. Oh, because she said it's so hard to save up money for, you know, things too. Everything's so expensive.
Oh, they are so expensive. And with this new furnace, how did you find out about the contest?
I watch it every day, and I saw some that, you know, had got a new furnace, and I thought, well, I'll give it a shot. What have I got to lose, you know? Yeah. So I was so happy when you called and said that, you know,
It's going to be you. It's going to be Maria. Okay. Well, I'm so excited to surprise her. So thanks for helping me pull this off.
Oh.
Excitement is building. We are now outside of Maria's house. I've got the whole crew from Apollo Heating, Air and Plumbing with me, and we're about to do the surprise. Let's go. Hi, Maria. Come over here. I'm Kristen from Twin Cities Live, and I've got the Apollo team here. We are giving you a brand new furnace.
Oh my God. No way. Yes. Oh my gosh.
And I talked to your mom, Marge. She helped pull this off.
Oh my gosh.
And she just had amazing things to say about how deserving you are and how selfless you are.
Thank you.
And you've
I
had a-
do feel I've had
tough
had a
go-around.
tough couple years, and on a feeding tube right now too for food, and
Oh no.
oh my gosh.
And heat is something many of us take for granted, and you've had a tricky
hard time.
furnace.
Yes, and it's so old. It's really old. It's, I don't know, probably 30 years, 40 years, and the last time they fixed it, they barely could and said it's gonna go
barely
out.
hanging on.
It's barely hanging on, and we could tell it hasn't been too warm in here this year. So, oh my gosh, thank you, all of you. Oh my gosh.
I'm so happy for you.
Oh my gosh.
So Pete, Twin Cities Live and Apollo Heating, Air and Plumbing, we've been partnering with you guys for the last 14 years, giving away furnaces to those in need. What is it like for you to see the reaction firsthand of the difference you're making in our communities?
So every time we give away a furnace, they don't have to ask us twice to be here. Obviously, you've seen the reaction. There's a need. We're here to help our people in our communities. And this is one less thing that she has to worry about. You see she's limited in her mobility. She has to work. She comes home. Now her furnace doesn't work. Believe it or not, we see this more than you can imagine. We do.
Wow. And what should the rest of us keep in mind when it comes to our furnace, and how often should we be doing a tune-up?
Well, unless you go check your furnace every day to make sure it's running properly, there is no season for furnace tune-ups. We do whole home evaluations year-round. Whether it's plumbing, whether it's heating, we check out your house, make sure you're safe in your home, make sure it's running properly so you don't ever have to be without heat or be uncomfortable.
That's incredible. Thank you so much.
See you next year. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, I just get so emotional watching.
Those are so special. So a big thank you to the entire team at Apollo Heating, Air and Plumbing. We love these surprises. You know, at the beginning of March, I got to get in on the action. I surprised a couple and their twin boys. Those boys who are a year now, though, they were born at just 27 weeks. And those folks have been so dedicated to the care of their kids. We were so happy to take that weight off their shoulders. And then right before Christmas, Kristen surprised a mom from Plymouth at work. Her furnace was deemed unsafe to use just as the temperatures were dropping over the winter. That little elf, Kristen Haubrich, just hopped right in there.
I love the confusion at the beginning, and then it's slowly like, wait, I know her, but why is she here? All right, well, that concludes our furnace giveaways for now. We have posted a link to schedule an appointment with Apollo at TwinCitiesLive.com.
We'll be back. Stay with us.